Emil Abedian is the founder and CEO of Counsel CPAs, a specialized accounting firm dedicated to helping solo and small law firms across the U.S. achieve financial clarity and sustainable growth. With 20 years of experience, Emil has revolutionized the traditional role of CPAs by becoming a proactive business partner for law firm owners, offering tailored tax planning, CFO-level guidance, and operational strategies. Passionate about empowering law firms to thrive, Emil is the author of the upcoming book, Counsel to Counsel, sharing actionable insights to elevate law firm operations and profitability. Emil, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much, Moshe. Appreciate it. Thank you for having me.
It's my pleasure. We always start with something really easy, which is, how in the world did you get here, right? So to give us a little bit of your backstory, how you got into accounting, specifically for law firms, what led you to be an expert to show up here today and have this conversation?
Awesome. It would be very sexy if I told you like I always dreamt about it and always dreamt about law firms and all that, but that would be a lie. So I won't go there. So I started like a general practice accountant. My background is from Sweden. I grew up in Sweden, started at the larger firm, Ernst & Young in Stockholm there, worked there a few years before I decided to move out to California. Got to California, worked for firms, and 2009, pretty like a month or 2 months before I was getting married, I got laid off during this financial crisis in 2007, 2009. So after getting laid off, I said, what the hell with this? I'm just going to start my own practice. Started my own practice, very general. I was taking on any type of clients, doing tax work, bookkeeping, sales tax, payroll, whatever, you name it. Whatever people wanted, I just provided to them until very quickly, I noticed that you can't do this, Emil, man. You got to go drive yourself crazy. You're doing everything for everybody, but you're working 80 hours a week for really nothing. You got to change the route of the operation. And that's when I started getting more and more towards law firms and working more law firms and started building my law firm practice, form of accounting services. Obviously, I'm not a lawyer at all. So we served the lawyers for many years in combination with my general practice, which were doctors, dentists, architects, any kind of other businesses. Until last year, where I decided to just split off my operation and just do law firms. So that's when Counsel CPAs was formed, and we are now only providing services to solo and small law firms to be able to provide value. Now, I don't want to be a tax preparer that sees my clients once a year. We want to be a firm where we provide value throughout the year. That's why what Counsel was formed.